Welcome to Product Critique. Today we're taking a closer look at the best crib teething guard rail cover on the market, the BreathableBaby Breathable Mesh RailGuard Teething Cover in white. If you're looking for a safe, breathable, and easy-to-install solution to protect both your baby's teeth and your crib, this is a product you'll want to consider. Let's dive right into what makes this stand out. First, let's talk about fit and compatibility. This RailGuard is designed for full-size cribs, measuring 51 inches wide and 18 inches high. It comes as a single long panel, and you can pair it with separately sold short panels for complete coverage on all sides of the crib. That flexibility is really helpful for parents who want to customize protection based on their crib style. One of the biggest benefits here is protection, both for your baby's teeth and for your crib rails. The cover wraps around the top of the rail and adds a soft, breathable mesh barrier. This helps prevent babies from biting directly into the hard crib wood, which can damage their teeth and the crib. It even includes a handy front pocket, perfect for storing pacifiers or teethers right where you need them. Now, the mesh is no ordinary mesh. BreathableBaby uses their proprietary classic mesh with a CT air channel technology. It's a single-layer mesh that's 3 mm thick, light and breathable, but durable enough to stand up to those teething babies. The entire cover is made from 100% polyester, with a 1-inch polyester trim for added strength and finish. It's smooth, soft, and most importantly, safe. And speaking of safety, that's an area where BreathableBaby truly shines. This product has been independently tested and meets rigorous safety standards. There are no added chemicals, no flame retardants, and no formaldehyde. This kind of chemical-free construction is critical for baby gear, especially items your little one might chew on. Installation is incredibly straightforward. It uses hook and loop closures, basically, strong Velcro, and adjustable straps that allow you to tighten the cover securely to your crib rail. Once installed, it doesn't slide around or bunch up. The fit is snug, and the cover stays in place even with active toddlers. Maintenance is also hassle-free. The cover is machine washable, so cleaning it is as easy as tossing it into your regular laundry. That's a big plus for busy parents who don't have time for complicated hand-washing routines. Another thing worth mentioning is that this product ships internationally, including to India, although there is a shipping and import charge, so it's something to be aware of when purchasing. To sum up, the BreathableBaby Breathable Mesh RailGuard Teething Cover is safe, breathable, practical, and thoughtfully designed. It's made by a trusted brand that's been specializing in breathable baby products since 2002. Whether you're looking to protect your baby's smile, your crib's finish, or simply make your nursery setup a little more functional, this product delivers. That wraps up this review on Product Critique. If you're interested in seeing more gear reviews like this one, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.